McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello, Ghana. Hello, my name is Nana Ama McBrown, and I'm bringing you McBrown's Kitchen. And the mini brony fita neba beye aduane no. But ansana no, I want to say a very big thank you to all my sponsors from the beginning of the show, because you've made it so special. Mo and my ama show no sabre. I am #1 or Ghana. Matias from Tetefonia on sabre contract asa. Into me modi no. Na sabre dey high sense for Adaroma and I'm intimidate McBrown's Kitchen ebro tasty Tom, the only tomato mixed with vitamins and fiber, and it's good for you. Remember that delay mackerel there nampa dompenum sardine so peche like that. Now mama can say me chwa me see benum sua yenum sio pa awake mineral water, awake purified drinking water, awake one for life. It means to say bakubi abetobiano and no ena ye kabom e de boa ama Kwalebu Cardio Center. Say Kasapreko donate 1 million Ghana to Cardio Center. Mwanda romantia what I say. Now, so we kitchen ya masisem launcher kitchen for Adaroma and McBrown's Kitchen. Your appearance assessor sa ena Borges olive oil and wa udia now skin aye kama wan kasa so timi di bisra eye wonko a ube hu difference on the Africa na yewono ewiana no edoso nti yendi Borges nemfa Borges nsra na yenom Borges yemfa mompa nye bibia ebuso for meda Royal Kitchen wear for us o mada romanti ene menya nchensen papa diecast papa am disi jaso a tesa afebo me ba me ye dan in film nchensen still the same dan so nya hwe e wo dwaso me the number beto dwa na chire upe bia waye. Now today my appearance is so calm and so beautiful. My hair is from Beauty Bowl, my makeup is Aligino makeover, my dress is from Chic Collection, and I have a special present for my guest today. As you can see, I'm looking all African, all beautiful. And apple pie for so and I me picture mommy into no mun na can sit down. Mama we go commercial break me ba. I am going to introduce to you a wonderful gentleman who I wonder what he's going to cook. But anyway, I'll be right back.
High sense.
Hey, Madam High Sense. Mami, I go pon shramo. First queen am better any a cray. Na mami de my fefe. Na me be junior. Sister out trene so nya dia. 10 no awie. Wo pe kwan ya be TV. It is say me fie ni ema nyina. E High Sense.
And then when it is a mount, ye the bibi from here by a friend. High Sense mega factory discount. Ye name of factory na. Ya take to say na fi we dia no. E sha say for 8 to 28 August. What 20?
And even na for that no ma san ate so.
Ya tete so.
E condition na.
Ya tete so.
Fridge na.
Ya tete so.
Gas cooker na so.
Ya tete so. Say High Sense factory nyama nyina. Ya tete so.
High Sense yenye mudeni. Muye bwe. High Sense yenye mudeni. Muye bwe.
Look where woman say factory no ya dia. Anema no ya nye ye. Anu ti yetumi tete so say e bia. E ma re say 8 to 28 August. A High Sense mega factory discount. Bora High Sense showroom bia. And a game shop bia. Na kwa jiwo die. So when him say High Sense there, everyday prices for everyday people.
And na edru meso se me di abusuan hia mu yeni se die mu nim no omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba hobi to say uncle me school
351251.
Welcome to McBrown's Kitchen once again, and now I'm going to speak more English today. Pardon me, I know that is not our style, but if you look at you see the color, you know why I'm speaking English. I'm not used to English, but today I have to rent English. I have to manage, accumulate a lot of English. I don't know how I'm going to survive today. But anyway, you'll be happy to see this amazing man all the way from America. McBrown's Kitchen, Yako International. Hooray! Yeah! McBrown's Kitchen is #1 show, #1 cooking show in Ghana. No doubt. thanks to you at home and watching wherever you are. I'm going to introduce this man. I've seen him, and I never thought I was going to ever meet him. Never. Not in my dreams. Yes, on my TV. Now he's here with me on my show, McBrown's Kitchen. Hey, Mr. DJ, give me some African tune. Yes, let me introduce Mr. Conan O'Brien. Yeah, let's go. Do this. Hey, you ready? Asamasi. No, the right. Right. Hey! That's good. Apa? Hey! Hey! Let's go! Yes. How do you see the dance? Beat maybe see but it's normal. Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh, I'm okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Apa, and then you do this. What would difference? Thank you, Mr. DJ. Hello,
Yes, hello.
sir.
How are you?
Wow, I'm good. Welcome to Ghana.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here. Hello, Ghana.
Yes.
McBrown's Kitchen, such a famous show, and I'm so honored to meet you. Thank
Wow.
you for having me here.
I thought I'm honored to see you.
I apologize if I frightened anyone at home. I come here in peace. I love Ghana, and I'm honored to be on your show.
Definitely. If you
Yeah.
are not a peaceful man, you will not even be here.
Right.
Yeah,
What's the
we all
point?
know that. Welcome once again.
Thank you so much.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
Forget the collar.
Oh,
This is your home.
Yes.
Okay?
Thank you.
Anna.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Right. Don't
Forget the collar.
blend
He's
right in.
welcome home.
Yes.
Now, today on my show, you know, we speak local language. Oh.
Yeah.
When I say etisay, it means how are you?
Etese.
Etisay, you say yeah.
Yeah.
Etisay.
Yeah.
And you open no name. You cook. You do
I'm gonna
all the
cook.
cooking.
I'm gonna cook.
Yes.
Food is love.
Definitely.
Food is life.
Definitely.
That's
and
what-
how are you feeling in Ghana now?
Oh, I love Ghana. I went to the marketplace today.
Uh-huh.
I danced. I met people. Do you like my dancing? What did that mean? No?
It was 50-50.
50-50. Yeah, that's pretty good for me.
Yeah. Huh? We are going to wash our hands before we cook.
That's a good idea because you don't know where these have been.
Right.
Always wash your hands before you cook. That's
Always.
important.
It's very, very important.
Yes.
So you have your soap, it's sensor.
Soap is here. Yes, just
Don't press.
Oh, don't press. Oh, I'm sorry.
That's
I
okay.
did the simplest thing and it didn't go well. We're here to teach me to cook and I failed washing the hands.
Today I'm speaking English, Ghana, pardon me, because I have Mr. Conan on the show and he's here because he loves Ghana.
Love Ghana.
Yeah, he
I love
really
Ghana
love
and I came
Ghana.
to visit your people,
Yes.
see your beautiful country, and learn about your famous
Definitely.
food.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, today we are not cooking fufu or banku. We're cooking our famous Ghana jollof.
Ah, jollof.
Yes.
The best jollof in the world. Better than Nigeria.
We won! Yeah! We're
It's
cooking-
true. It's
Yes.
true.
Yes,
Ask
it's true.
anyone. Ask anyone in America. They say, you want jollof? They say, yes, yes. From Ghana, yes?
Yes.
If you say no, from Nigeria,
That's what they'll That means it's done. Yeah. 57-year-old man. What do you mean I didn't want to normal?
Yeah.
When this is in the blood, it is in the blood.
Yes.
We're going to cook jollof. I am going to show him how to do jollof. So when he gets back to America, the whole America will know about Ghana jollof.
yes.
You know. So Mr. Conan,
Yes.
Africa here, Ghana jollof, as you say, is the best. You can't cook jollof without rice.
You need rice to make
Eh.
jollof.
Okay, you let's mention the ingredients, then I'll show you the procedure.
Yes.
Because you already know the ingredients, right?
Yes, you're the queen. I bow to you. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Medase.
Medase.
Medase. Inti yamubon yamano so.
These are vegetables.
Yanka.
You want me to grab one?
Debbie. Mention the names.
Oh, yes. We have what appears here to be an onion.
It is.
Onion. We have peas.
Yes.
We have peppers.
We call it green beans.
Green beans. Yes, I'm sorry. Those are green beans. They're not peas. I was just wrong. That's not a translation problem. We have garlic.
Garlic, yes.
We have peppers.
Peppers.
We say peppers.
Your bell pepper.
Yes.
This is what we call it green pepper. in Ghana.
Green pepper.
Yeah, Africa.
This is a carrot.
Carrot.
This is carrot.
Carrot.
This. The zucchini. Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. We have very peppers. These are hot peppers.
Very hot.
Red and yellow. And then this looks like a car accident. I don't know what this is. This is
Ginger.
ginger. This is ginger, maybe.
This is what?
It just looked like I don't know. It looked like something that comes from in here, you know?
Elbow.
Didn't know if this was an
Ginger,
extraction.
yeah.
Ginger. Ginger. You think I'm attractive?
Very.
Do you think women in Ghana will find me attractive?
Yes, but
Why but?
but you're married. Remember
Well,
that. She's watching.
you're right. I love you. I'm coming home soon.
Mr. O'Brien. Jinsio. Numuncio. Drink water.
Drink water. You must drink water.
It's good. Aquaba. Awake, purified drinking water. As simple as this.
Thank you.
What do you do for a living?
Apparently, nothing.
Eh.
I am a comedian. I make jokes.
Now, O'Brien,
Yes.
this is chicken,
Chicken,
rice,
rice,
corned beef,
corned beef,
shrimp powder,
shrimp powder,
salt,
salt.
tasty Tom tomato mix.
The best tomato paste is Tasty
Yes.
Tom.
Yeah.
I love Tasty Tom.
And that's what I used to cook the jollof you ate.
Tasty Tom. I love you, Tasty Tom.
Tasty Tom, we love you too.
Yes, yes.
You see, the best always. And I have Borges olive oil.
Borges.
Yeah, we're using any of the...
They're the best. A classic olive oil.
Very, thank you. So whichever one you can use to cook.
Which one do you like? Well, either one. They're both Borges. If it's Borges, you know it's oil.
Definitely. If it's Borges, you know it's oil. Definitely.
I'll use this.
We'll use it,
Yes,
right?
okay.
Okay, so we're about to start.
Okay.
We have to be able to cook this in the next 25 minutes.
I am very quick.
Hey.
Very quick.
Okay.
Ask my wife.
Okay, now we're going to cook jollof. This is how we cook jollof. We have so many ways of cooking jollof, but I'm going to show you the simplest one.
Very good.
Now, we're going to blend onion, ginger, garlic, and pepper.
Yes.
So you chop them.
Chop them any way you want?
Any way. It could be bigger than that.
Bigger than this?
Yes. We're going to cook our jollof, ladies and gentlemen.
It's a song that I sing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
Oh, in here.
Yeah, we are blending onion, garlic, ginger. Rather, I said, not like that.
What? What did I do wrong?
Too much.
You said put it in here.
Hey, but slow down, I'm talking.
Oh, sorry.
Share be free, bruh. Remove some.
Remove some.
I'll pour
Okay.
back some.
Well, maybe you weren't clear.
Into first you.
Okay. Where's?
Put it here.
I'll put it here. Yes.
For ginger.
Ginger.
Ginger, garlic.
Ginger. Garlic. I'm gonna chop them all up.
No, fatum.
Oh, just whole.
Fatum.
Boink.
Yes. Wait, chop.
Oh, this one you chop. Okay.
Chop
Well,
into three.
into three. Okay. Not a big deal.
Yeah, the garlic, you can put plenty if you like. Plenty.
I like garlic.
So put all.
All?
All, I don't mind.
All? All right.
Remember that the jollof you ate,
Yes.
after yours, we're going to...
Very good.
we'll compare.
Here's the problem. Too much garlic. Women don't want to kiss. They don't want to kiss you.
But your wife is not here.
Yes, but what if I meet someone else?
She's still watching, remember.
Yes. You're right. Is this
But
good?
you need... Yeah, it's good. Hey,
What?
it's hot, oh. Brother Oronsa.
What?
Put it quick and come and wash your hand. Is it okay? You want plenty, pepper?
Yes, sure. Yes, I like spice. I like spice. Spice is life.
No, African spice don't know white man. African pepper is different from there. Come and wash your hand. Bruh. Sensor. Remember, it's a sensor.
Okay. So I'm gonna burn my hands.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want you to go home and cry.
No,
This
I won't
is
cry.
Africa.
Yeah. No crying here.
No crying, no.
No crying.
Okay, but I think I will add 1 onion to it.
Add 1
You know
onion?
why? I want you to cook your chicken at the same time. Whilst we start the jollof. Open that.
Okay.
Open
this.
the blender.
Yes. Okay. I have trouble with everything. Everything. Everything gives me trouble.
It looks so Conan.
Okay.
Okay.
Woo!
I told
That's
you the
strong.
pepper, yeah.
Oh wow! You just open that and it.
I'm blending this. Good. So people, to do jollof, Conan, you have this thing blended. That is your ginger, your pepper, your garlic, and your onion.
Yes.
All right. We're going to use some for the food and use some for the chicken.
Yes.
Yes, like you know.
I did. I knew.
Okay.
I knew.
All right. So bring the chicken.
Yes.
African on Conan money now.
I'm too slow. Throw everything in.
Throw everything. Hey, come for do. Piano in a room.
What?
Push.
Okay.
And then you put it here. We're going to cook it.
Okay.
So it needs water, right?
Yes.
Do
I put a top on that?
I will, but the water is small. Let me
Oh,
add
more
it.
water. Yes, I see.
Yes. We're going to put small blended stuff here.
Yes.
Say yes, ma'am. Yes, Nana.
Yes, Nana. Yes, Nana.
Open the blender.
Yes, Nana.
So this is how we do it.
Yes, Nana.
Okay.
Oh.
It's okay like this. But we're sharing this for the stew
And the chicken.
and the chicken at the same time. Now, I'm going to on the fire for you. Chop some onion for me, Conan.
Yes, Nana.
When did you start being on TV?
In 1993,
1993?
before you were born. You are young.
Conan, I'm over 40.
No, you are not. Lies. Lies. You're you're so beautiful.
I'm 40 years. I'm 41 years, actually.
Well, you look amazing. You eat well. You take care of yourself. But
I
you're
just had
also
a baby, too.
You just had a baby?
Yes.
Oh.
My baby is up there. She's 3
Where?
months old.
Oh, up there.
Yeah, she's watching.
She's watching. Where's your husband?
At work.
Is he jealous that I'm here?
Oh, no, he's not scared. He's so relaxed. You have no idea.
Well, maybe
That
when
among all the men, he's
we
the
have
champion.
chemistry. We have.
But after here, you are gone.
Yeah. Okay.
After the food, I will never see you again.
What?
I'm singing a remix of Stonebwoy's song.
After the food, you'll never see
I'll
me again?
never see you again unless I watch
That's so
you
cold.
on my YouTube channel. Oh, Mr. Conan. Whenever again will I see you again? I'm composing a song for you.
Maybe you'll see me sometime when you visit the United States. And my wife is out of town. And you and I go and we get some dinner at a restaurant.
Don't forget, I always travel with my husband.
Yeah, but I put something in his drink and he gets sleepy. And then you and I go out and we dance in the nightclub and then your husband wake up. Conan!
Yeah.
But I run away because I'm scared and I'm a coward.
So don't let us start at all.
We won't do that. Throw this in here.
Yeah, you said you're going to use the green one, right? So first of all, this is what you do. Conan Tobo.
What the heck is that?
I'm putting the oil. This
You hit me. You struck me. I'll have my lawyers on you.
So we're cooking our chicken
Yes.
and we're making our stew at the same time.
And we're making our stew at the same time.
Yeah. So Ghana jollof, you get your chicken on fire. You put in your spices like your pepper, your onion, your garlic, your ginger, and then a little bit salt. If you're a spicy person, you can add whatever spice, but put in a little bit salt.
Just a little pinch?
Wait. Just a little bit, yeah. Just a little bit. I'll tell you if it's okay. Some more. Put it all. That's your style, right?
Yeah.
Conan style. A little bit more.
You like my
Good.
style? Look at that.
I do. Yeah, keep on. But the onion is burning.
Okay, onion's burning. What do you want me to do?
Oh, style.
Olive oil.
Yes.
If it's not Borges, it's not oil.
It's not oil. Always the best. So
Always.
this is how we do it.
You stir the chicken.
You stir the chicken, then you cover it to let it cook for about 20 minutes
20 minutes of cooking.
of cooking. Next is your blended stuff. Do you remember what we blended?
Yes, ginger and onion. Ginger and onion and
Pepper and
peppers.
garlic.
Peppers and garlic.
Yes. So it
Sorry.
goes in.
Jet lag.
Very, very simple.
How long has jollof been? Is it long time jollof in
Jollof is there
in
since
Ghana? It's just
since.
right, hundreds and hundreds of years.
We've been eating jollof since.
Yeah.
It just got popular because of social media.
Yeah.
You know. So Conan, you started 1993
Yes, on television. Yeah.
as what?
As
TV
a
host?
TV
or
host. Yeah. Yeah.
The comedy. When did you
I
start?
did no, it's been comedy for a long time. It's me. I am very beloved.
Okay.
People in America. Oh, Conan. Oh.
Yeah.
You know, I can't go anywhere in
Okay.
America.
Oh, okay.
People go like, there he is, and they all come running. And,
Yeah, you're a superstar.
So well, if there's
Me too.
Yes, both of us. You know what it's like. Well, I think your soul is Ghana. It's where your soul is from.
I'm actually a Kumasiano.
Kumasiano?
Yeah.
Where's that?
You will go there, my hometown.
Yes. Kumasi. I'm going to go to Kumasi.
That's where I was.
I will go to
grew up.
Kumasi.
That's where I grew up. Basically, I was born.
I want to go
My
to Kumasi.
school- you will love Kumasi.
I will love Kumasi.
Try our fufu.
I'll try the fufu.
Try fufu when you
Yeah.
go to Kumasi.
Yeah.
So, Conan, why are you in Ghana?
I'm in Ghana because I wanted to see this wonderful country.
Okay.
And I have a good friend who's a big star in America, whose mother is from Ghana. His name's Sam Richardson. He's on
Yes.
HBO. He's here right now.
He's here.
I don't know if he's here in the
You want
studio
Sam
or if
to
he
join
left.
us?
There he is. Come on up.
It's not ready to cook.
This is my new kid. Just run in.
Come. McDonald's
Sam.
kitchen. When they are breaking orders, Sam. Wow, it's insane.
Yeah, because
Engu when Matthew, you had a diffi in common. Jano no Jano.
He doesn't speak any Twi. Any.
small.
His mom lives in Ghana, and he speaks no Twi.
His mom lives in Ghana.
Yeah.
And speaks no Twi.
She does.
speaks Twi.
He doesn't.
Me fact for you. Proven wrong.
He's in trouble now.
Proven now abano. Nyamia nimni.
thanks, Conan.
I'm literally stirring the pot.
That's Ghana thing.
So, when was the last time you were in Ghana?
It was past 15 years ago.
15 years ago.
15.
He should be here all the time.
Oh,
Right, yeah, okay.
Yeah, stir the food.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, how are you?
When you know,
One more time.
one more time. Me come be access one chawi. Me do juma. What's it American?
Didn't work out like I thought it would.
Yeah, sometimes saying
Gonna
one
be
more
alright.
time doesn't work if you don't know the language.
But sometimes it does.
So sometimes you what do you know? What do you know? What can you say?
Yeah.
Are you a Ga Fanti or Shanti?
Ashanti.
Ashanti. Missy Fano, oh my God. From
He
my
really
hometown.
doesn't. Yes, he's from your hometown, but he really mostly lived in the United States.
Mostly.
He is a terrific, very famous actor, a very funny.
On Veep, right?
Veep, yes. He is a very talented man. He's my friend, and he brought me to Ghana. And in the 5 minutes I've been here, I know more Twi than he does.
I'm very sure. So you grew up in America.
Mostly, yeah.
You were born in
I
Ghana?
was born in Ghana. I was born in Detroit. But then I
Oh,
came
no,
over
it's
to-
pardon. It's allowed. You don't
Yeah,
speak
no, it's good, but I
Ghana.
lived-
You grew up, your dad speaks,
My dad's American.
and your mother is
My
from
mother's
here.
Ghanaian.
But I like-
This is an unfair assassination of character.
No,
Yes.
wait. This is McBrown's kitchen. We don't speak fast like that here. People come here speaking, they don't.
I speak slowly. That's the way I
Great.
speak.
You they also almost the same color. Try, bring it down.
Yes.
Why?
Slow it down
Uh-huh.
so that everyone can hear because
That's
I'm
right.
not speaking Twi.
That's
And
because
the main language of McBrown's kitchen is Twi.
it's what? Tweet.
Twi.
Tweet?
Twi.
You know, we're cooking jollof. He's
Yeah, and-
actually cooking jollof.
And tell him what we're cooking with.
We're cooking with Tasty
Tasty Tom.
Tomato mix.
If it's not Tasty Tom,
It is not.
I'd rather eat a bomb.
Oh,
Tasty
that's
Tom.
right, man. Oh, God. That's right. If it's not tasty, Tom.
I'd rather eat a bomb.
You'd
I would rather
eat a bomb.
explode.
Whoa. Yeah.
Whoa. Take it easy. I'm 87 years old.
Yeah, I'm used to that. Everybody will say, oh, McBrown, she has started her thing. We are putting the tomato paste now.
Yes.
Yes. Sam, are you learning how to do
I'm
jollof?
watching now.
Okay. So now you add it.
Yes.
Yes.
I'll add this.
Yes, add it. Debbie, hey.
What did I do wrong? Everything I do.
Wait. I was going to tell you the next thing. Come on, man. Tifri has said, no, we are not using all.
Oh, not all? Is that enough?
Enough.
A little more?
A little more.
How about that? Good?
Add one more.
Okay. Very belligerent.
Yeah. Okay, now you're going to stir.
Oh, I'll stir it up.
This is what you're going to do. Your oil wasn't enough. It's Borges.
Borges.
So it's safe. It's healthy.
Yes, Borges is very good oil.
So you can stir now.
I'll stir it up.
What can I do?
How long? Oh, you want to do something?
Yes.
Let's chop this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How
put
long
Sam
have
to
you known
work.
each other?
We first met, a couple years
A
ago?
couple years ago.
Wash your hands, keep them clean.
I'm talking to you like my mate,
Do you ever sing a song when you're cooking? A song from Ghana?
Wait. I'm going to be doing the stirring. I know you for one thing, and I have a surprise, people. Come and do one. Come.
I've seen someone chop a carrot. I chopped an onion just fine. Why is he suddenly the star?
Onion one was coming from Mexico. The other was going to Uganda. The other crossed to China. There was no ship. Cooking is art. People, we're still here on McBrown's Kitchen. You're watching the #1 cooking show. I have some here. I have Conan on my right. We're not doing any competition.
The best jollof is Ghana
It's
jollof.
Ghana jollof. Now, the same water is what we're going to use to cook the jollof. So we're not going to add in.
So it's going to have chicken stock in it.
In the jollof.
Isn't that great?
Yes.
That's one of the secrets, yes.
Okay. Brabenum.
I'm gonna switch to you.
Come
And then you
cut
come and
it.
cut the.
You to stir. Hey.
What?
Hey.
Chop.
Hey.
What?
Money now.
Huh?
Conan.
So long. Just how's my stirring?
I'll kill you! Die!
Hey, that. Oh, I'm up. Wait.
Okay. Oh, there she goes. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Look at that. A Spanish-style guitar.
Let's go.
The best jollof in the whole world is the jollof from Ghana. The best jollof in the whole world is always from Ghana. Now, some people think that Nigeria makes pretty good jollof.
No way.
But when you eat Nigerian jollof, you get sick and you start to cough. I love the jollof they make in Ghana. It reminds me of the jollof that I used to eat that was cooked by my mama. But she never made jollof
like Ghana jollof.
It's gonna get there. Like Ghana jollof. And also, she's Irish Catholic and doesn't know what jollof is. And just fried potatoes mostly.
That's a song for you. Let's give him a round of applause.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Gwen, go back to your position.
Oh, God. Go
back. So do that stirring. Good. Now, the chicken is good. Oh, you want to try one?
Sure. You can just pull me a piece. It's going to be hot, though, right?
I am going to cool it down.
I'm going to burn myself.
Cool it down.
Cool it down. Cool it down.
Down.
Gonna lose control.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bobby Brown before he went cuckoo.
We're going to put in our rice. Sister Goom. Okay, so.
Goop.
A man should know who from.
What do you mean?
Tell him.
I wasn't listening.
Gentle? Just gentle?
Yes,
It's gentle.
More gentle.
Don't slop it in there.
It's starting to have the appearance of jollof.
Yes. The chicken, give me this. We'll put it in the oven.
Okay.
So
then it bakes.
it bakes. And we put the water here.
Right. You don't throw the water away.
No,
Way.
you don't.
And you don't. You use the water.
We use it. That's what we're going to use to cook the jollof.
Yeah.
Yeah, after everything, you check if it's enough for the rice.
Maybe you have to add a little water.
Yeah, then you add a little. And the same, you have to taste it before check the salt, how you want it. Now we're going to blend some pepper.
Okay.
Then we put it on.
Okay.
Then it goes into the oven.
Okay.
You get me?
Yes.
You like pepper?
Yes.
Taste it if the salt is enough.
Should I taste it now?
Yeah.
If it needs more salt?
Yeah. No, we don't taste like that.
How do we taste?
You see the hand you wash.
Yeah.
Remember that you're not the only person going to eat this.
Oh, right. Right.
So you just
and I
put
have
it here.
disease. Yeah. I do.
And taste it.
Tastes like hand cream.
Ah.
Oh, that's nice. That's got a kick. That's good. That's got
pepper.
Whoa, that's subtle, but man, that comes at you. It's like a ninja. It's sleepy at first, but then it awakens and attacks for the kill.
For me, it's okay, but I don't know about you, the salt.
That's good. I like it. It tastes very good.
Yeah. So you leave it like this for about 20 minutes.
He
Okay,
likes
put in
it.
small salt. Just put in small. Good. So. All right. It was for McBrown's kitchen, and I am semi-permeshia. Now you're going to put this on the chicken.
Okay.
You do that, right?
Yep.
So we haven't finished chopping. Come. Chop this one.
You're not going to like it. You never like my chopping.
So Conan, how long are you staying in Ghana?
I think I'm here for a week.
A week?
Yeah.
Where you go? If you don't have places to go, let me show you. Where?
Well, all over, we're going to go to Kumasi.
Okay.
We're going to visit many of the locals. I'm going to meet some of the officials. Okay, well, you do this one, Sam. You're the big
Sam,
chopper.
you do this one.
Yeah.
Now,
clearly, I'm just.
We're going to the oven now. Whilst the jollof.
Jollof is still on the fire.
So let's put the chicken in the oven.
Let's put the chicken in the oven. Oh, look at that! It is real.
Yeah, it's
nice.
real. So you put
I was pretending it was hot.
Now, people, we're just about wrapping up on our jollof.
Oh, we're wrapping up?
Yeah.
What are we making again?
We're going to put in corned beef.
Nice. Look at that. The water's down. The jollof has a nice consistency.
I like to put it at this time. You know why? You're not going to stir it again.
It's
like that.
It's a seduction.
Okay. Most of the time, you want it to cook fast. Put on this one, the napkin, on it.
Yeah.
Cover it.
Interesting.
So.
Interesting.
That's it. You leave it on for the next maximum 15 minutes. You have your jollof.
Interesting. Huh? Enough?
That's good.
Enough.
Then what?
Put it here. Good. Are you going to cook some when you get back?
I will.
Yeah. It's going to be on my YouTube page. I was for McBrown's kitchen. I have an idea. Any kaka. Media said I am a high sense. Tasty Tom. Royal Kitchen Way. Launcher Kitchen. Delay mackerel and sardine. Awake purified drinking water. Borges olive oil. Me don't want to send me do McBrown's kitchen to me, bro. Okay. So I was for your jollof now already. And if you're home, wherever you're watching, and you want to cook jollof, this is the best way, the simplest way to cook Ghana jollof.
Ghana jollof, the best jollof.
The best jollof. So simple, so healthy. And like I was saying, you can cook with beef.
Yep.
Chicken.
Yep.
Shrimp.
Whatever you want.
Whatever you want.
Just make sure you're using the right ingredients.
Voila.
That's Borges oil. You got to use delay mackerel. You got to use Tasty Tom paste. These are all of the ingredients that you need to use.
Yes. There was a commercial break. Yeah, McBrown's Kitchen. There's one thing we say here. McBrown's Kitchen.
McBrown's Kitchen.
Then you respond in my language.
Yeah.
Ediane Paide.
What the?
Ediane Paide.
Ediane Paide. Ediane Paide.
Ediane Paide.
Ediane Paide. Ediane.
Ediane Paide.
Ediane Paide.
Ediane Paide.
Ediane Paide.
No, everybody, wait. You say it first. McBrown's Kitchen.
Ediane Paide. Is it wrong?
What language is that?
That's Detroit.
It's Detroit language.
McBrown's Kitchen.
Ediane Paide.
He won! We'll be right back after this commercial break.
Where was the applause when I was chopping?
High sense.
Hey, Madam License. Mami, don't go point Shramo. Flash screen and better any a cray. Now, Mammy, dear, my FFF. Now, my bad junior. Sister, I'll try this one, Nadia. 10, no, wow, Pepaya, TV. It's the same person, me free any many now. High sense.
And then one is this amount. Yeah, the beautiful from here by a friend. High sense mega factory discount. Yeah, name our factory now. Yeah, take this to say, now, few Indian. As I say, 8 to 28 August. What? 20?
And even now for that, and what's that?
Yeah, Titiso.
I find this in there.
Yeah, Titiso. Yeah, Titiso.
Let's cook and swear.
Yeah, Titiso. Say, high sense factory in Yamina. Yeah, Titiso.
High sense, Yanya Mudeni. We are way. High sense, Yanya Mudeni. We are way.
Look what a woman say. Factory, yeah. And then on a young, yeah. I don't think you to meet Titiso Sadia Pebia. And my ref is 8 to 28 August. A high sense mega factory discount. More high sense showroom beer. And a game shop will be a quite dear. So when you say high sense there, everyday prices for everyday people.
And a drew meso, some dear busianshia muyeni. Said dear Munino, Omo Mujaje, a dear beer obey, and no so beba hobby. To say Uncle me, school judge.
I was there who did run to school for me.
Auntie Amma, Subai Muja,
Unsam Mom Sododo.
And Namekuma, I will see a Mujaj.
Debbie's sister, want to mend your sister.
I was say when Yaku could draw and she ye beer obey. Impos any penny nana when Yadria. Emum, a dear Bako when you nudge to know what Diane no dead, and any champa pebia, I want to draw womb. And if any said your paste in a pea, now the fiber and the vitamins I can't want to. Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix me busiani nyina aduane a ede. Esanso ma ho den. Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
2351251.
Charlie, why? Who know the?
Masa, make you look and disturb me at the play game. And you know, if you have one way of a training bar, we will cheer me cook. But you try getting tomatoes, we may to delay my grand, we're going to the can manadi. Yeah, what you know, Papa? The man can't walk on a one chantry and to tomato sauce from some of ice cream.
Delay mackerel in tomato sauce. Nampa dumpenimu.
Borges Extra Virgin Olive Oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges Classic Olive Oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your girls. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges Olive Oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
I was time for me, Mama Kwaba, McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane Pa Ed. Welcome once again, and this is the edition time. Sad time when the Ebabe Didi. So I have a special way of saying thank you to Mr. Conan for coming on McBrown's Kitchen. I want to say thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me. This has been lovely. It's really been very nice. A beautiful experience.
Thank you so much. Very soon I'm going to bring your food. But before that, I have a special package, a special present for you. We have a lot of talent in Ghana. And I'm going to introduce some young men who have you in their palm.
Really? Huh.
Let me introduce them then. Hi, gentlemen. Come on, McBrown's Kitchen.
Yeah.
Ediane Pede, say. Ediane Pede.
Hey, what?
Ediane Pede.
Ediane Pede.
The one you said, the one you want.
I forget. I'm.
Ediane Pede.
Ediane Pede. Andiamo the padre. Andiamo the padre.
Remember you want
Andiamo the padre.
You're not
That's
speaking,
Italian. That's Italian.
No, you're not speaking Spanish. You're speaking chi. Ediani pa ed.
Andiamo the padre.
Mefansa. I'll take this one.
You take that one?
The previous one was. All right, gentlemen, what do we have for Mr. Conan?
Oh, wow.
Whoa, people.
That's very good.
Conan, they do you here. They did it here.
They did it here.
Right now.
You guys are very talented. Thank you very
much. What's your Instagram page? You need to...
The artist.
The artist.
Yes, please.
If you want to find them or see them...
Look at that. They're
the artist. At the artist on Instagram. The artist. Both of you are there on one page.
You know what you did? You captured the sadness in my eyes. I always have a sadness.
But that's
me.
That's
you
you
did
in
that.
the
That's
picture.
very. No, I know. I'm saying they captured that thing inside me.
Oh, they got you there.
They got me. It was you're very good.
Yeah.
You captured the part of me inside that's so sad.
Are you happy to be on McBrown's Kitchen?
Yes, we are happy.
McBrown's Kitchen, when can you? Ubeji visa, beji application, be full play, be CJFK. Hey, baby, I'm a kind channel. Me not buy free of charge. We never as well, know. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and I want you each have this, a tasty tom for each of you. Okay? It's very good. It's the best paste.
Give them the Borges too.
And you know what? Also, Borges olive oil. If it's not Borges, it's not oil. Thank you.
And on behalf of the
Thank you very
artists,
much. You're very talented. Thank you.
Thank you
Ghana is
so
a
much.
place of much
Thank
talent.
you for coming on. Good guys. Thank you. Now, Mr. Conan, that's you right there.
Look at this. This is me going like this. Huh?
I have another surprise for you.
More surprises?
More.
Wow, it just doesn't stop here at McBrown's Kitchen.
No. People, this is from McBrown, myself, and my designer. She made this for me. She's called Chic Collection.
She made the dress?
Yes.
Okay.
Chic Collection. And she has this one for you, too. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Yes. Chic, thank you.
Thank you. That's very attractive. Look at that. I will wear this.
This is God. Give me a round of applause.
This is fantastic.
Yeah, Conan. Let's say thank you to my sponsors.
We've mentioned it's about time your sponsors got a word in here. I want to thank all of the sponsors of this show.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I want to thank Tasty Tom, Delay Mackerel.
Yeah.
You got to give it up for Bort. I was getting to them.
I know.
I was gonna say Borges. They make extra virgin. They make classic. They make olive oil with garlic.
Yes.
And
this one, the kitchen, the setup was made by
The setup was made by Loncha.
Yeah.
I mean...
And then the TV in the fridge from High Sense. Sabre, John and I are ready. Our food is ready. We're about to enjoy Conan's Ghana Jollof rice with our grilled chicken and our veggies.
Yeah.
Sam, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready? I'm going to pray.
Let's pray.
Father, we thank you for what we're about to receive. Blessed in Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
Whoa! Whoa, people. Conan's Jollof. Conan, serve yourself.
This looks delicious.
It's good. Conan, good job.
Thank you, Sam. I make a great jollof. This chicken's very good, too.
You love it?
Very good.
This apple royal drink is also very good, too.
Wow, McBrown's Kitchen. We're the best.
We're the best.
I prefer royal apple.
No, you go like them. Royal drink, you go like them.
Okay, I go like them.
I don't know what all the fuss is about. How special could a drink be? Wow.
You an actor.
Royal. To royal, I am loyal. Good, right?
You said you're here to see...
I do travel shows.
Okay.
And I've been to many countries. I've been to South Korea.
All right.
I've been to Cuba. I've been to Haiti. I've been to Armenia. I've been to Italy. And that's just to name a few.
Okay.
I wanted to go to Ghana, and I've met many people who said you have to go to Ghana. Beautiful people, Their country's very impressive. I was saying nice things about Ghana. And so we came here, and so far, we've been delighted. It's been a great experience so far.
So you're here to see Ghana, to experience
the culture, the people,
the food.
The food.
That's what we're doing right now.
Yeah.
What do you do on your show? I cook on my show.
I talk to people. I interview celebrities. Well, how would you describe my show, Sam?
It's a talk show where it has guests come on to talk about the things that they're up to and tell stories from their past and current times. And also as sometimes a comedian or musical guest on who perform their acts.
Oh, okay.
Sam, I'm just guessing, grew up watching me.
It's true.
And he probably said, oh, he's a god, he's the best. Maybe someday I'll even get to just see him, but what a dream. I mean, I'm just guessing.
And then Sam is here with you on McBrown's Kitchen.
And now he's here on
Jollof.
McBrown's Kitchen.
In Ghana.
And he's trying to act like it's not a big deal for him, but it's a big deal.
Mouth is full.
Okay.
Oh, mouth is full.
So what are you going to tell the people back home about Ghana?
Well,
Conan,
what'd you say to me?
You don't use your left hand.
Oh, don't use your left hand. Oh, I'm sorry.
You don't use left hand eating Ghana. I forgot.
Okay, I didn't know. I'm sorry. Right hand. I'm going to tell them Ghana is a beautiful country. It is thriving. It is growing. It is changing. It's an exciting place to go visit.
Wow.
On the air September 17th, and anybody in Ghana can watch it on YouTube after September 17th. Just go on the internet and find our show. Conan O'Brien, TeamCoco.com.
Yeah.
You can watch the whole show.
On Team Coco.
And it's all about Ghana, and it'll be seen all over the world.
Sam, what are you going to tell your people about your country?
Ghana is the most beautiful country in the world.
Yeah!
Oh, thank you. Oh, you didn't have to do that.
Mr. Conan, your last word. We are ending the show.
I say, long live Ghana!
Wow, long live my motherland, my home, Ghana. McBrown's Kitchen.
Ajoane pie de.
Rabusiafo, ehana mrebe my kwame de McBrown's Kitchen asie. Ya Jollof, ya ton ya duane na mankrofo mieni. Se omu fan ko omu krom, no mu nko ye bi wo. Me gidi se. Enye omu kwa na be America for here, nyina be Ghana Jollof because you need first, you did bim. I want to say thank you for coming, Sam.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Mr. Conan.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, for choosing McBrown's Kitchen. I mean,
number one cooking show. I love it.
Among the many shows on TV, I am so glad and happy. Put it together is
be real in making money.
Before we go, we gotta dance. I need it. This is Stonebwoy, music from Stonebwoy. Yo, Mr. DJ, let's go.
Let's do it.
All right. Okay. Let's go. Oh! Hey, let's go. Yeah. Hey, Sam. Do some. Do the same thing. Do the same thing. Bring. Hey, Pong. It's okay, we've closed.
McBrown's Kitchen, Ghanaian Pedo. McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, Ghanaian Pedo. McBrown's Kitchen, yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no, no my near. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So in ya, my share. McBrown's kitchen, McBrown's kitchen.